Alright, we've got another video with solving equations. So what we just went over in the last one was isolating the variable with the exponent. So in this case, here's our x squared. Anything outside of that has to go to the other side. So I'm adding a 25. The opposite is going to be to subtract 25. So that cancels, leaving us with x squared equals negative 25. And then we keep solving. To undo the square, we square root both sides. And now we're going to run into an issue where we're taking the square root of a negative number. So if you remember, we said in the intro video that we can't take even roots of negative numbers. So what do we write? X is not real. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Again, we want to identify our exponent, get that alone. So we've got two numbers to get to the other side. Always start with the number that's separated with addition or subtraction. So we've got a positive 9. We're going to subtract 9 from both sides. Carry down that negative 25 x squared is equal to negative 9. Then divide by negative 25 on both sides. And we have x squared equals, now that negative divided by negative does turn into a positive 9 over 25. And then we square root both sides to get the x to the first power. So x equals, now 9 over 25, if you notice I left it as a 9 over 25, it doesn't divide evenly. So I leave that alone, and now we are square rooting a fraction. So we had one example like this in the intro video, I think. If you're square rooting a fraction, you can separate it out. Square root the top number, which is 3, square root the bottom number, which is 5, but then please remember, don't forget that this has two answers, so that plus or minus, putting it in red so we can see it, although I don't know what this red is right there. Oh, got rid of it, good. Our answer is plus or minus 3/5.